the latest edition from the display showroom. Today we're going to have a look at the new and improved Uno tension banner. For those of you that have dealt with us for a number of years, you'll remember the Uno from 15 years ago. Now, recently we've decided to upgrade the product, and we've made many significant improvements. So the unit itself is available 801 metre wide. Now each unit, when you purchase it, comes complete with a cardboard carry tube, which obviously stores your graphics safely. It also comes complete with a soft carry bag for your hardware to go into, so that will contain your foot and your pole. Now the foot has been redesigned. It's still a nice cast aluminium foot, so it's got some weight to it. Weighs about 3 kilograms, and we've updated the style and the look. The pole has also changed. This is now a hybrid pole, so it's half bungee, half telescopic, so it gives you greater flexibility. And one of the biggest issues with the previous version was the thumb screws. This has now been improved with the cleat system, so open it, push it up and lock it tight, and it's perfectly fixed into place. The top and bottom rails traditionally are gripper rails. That still remains the same. One key difference on the actual rail is the end caps are now magnetic. So the primary function of the Uno banner is to actually join the systems together to create a seamless graphic wall. So by removing the end caps, we're ready to then join it onto the next system. So when you assemble your Uno banner, if we roll the graphic out, take the cast foot. On the bottom rail, this will be highlighted, will be a red arrow. This is where your foot is going to slide into. So push into there and slide across, and I'll lock it into place. Take the pole, place it into the foot, and then position the banner onto the top rail. Keeping your foot on the base, open up the catch at the back, extend the telescopic section, and then lock into place. Now, to join systems together, where the graphic is going to join, you need to apply Clarity A mag tape, which is a standard mag tape that we sell, down to each long edge of the graphic, so here and here. Now, to join the system, we are going to use a Stealth straight line connection kit. So that will provide you with 2 magnet connectors, so one top, one bottom, and then 3 mag bars, which will join the 2 mag tapes along the back of the graphic. So if we take our magnets, insert them into the rails, like so, bring the 2 banners together, and just guide the magnet in the top and the bottom. So take the central mag bar, which will be the first one you're going to apply, pull the 2 graphics in together, and lock it into place, and then repeat with the obviously top and the bottom bars. So very simple to join graphics together. The idea being that you can take individual units and build and create as long a wall as you like. This has been used at the Commonwealth Games in Manchester and Glasgow. It's also been used at the Olympics. So ideal use for sports backdrops, wherever you want to create a large media wall. Now, another great feature with the new Uno, if I bring this one into shot, with the new rail, we also have the ability to attach a fabric graphic. So on the top and bottom rail, we have a separate strip, which is the SEG strip. Now, SEG stands for Silicon Edge Graphic. So we can stitch that directly onto a fabric graphic, and that will push straight into the top and bottom rails. Now what you'll see from the 2 products is on the fabric version, you see graphic from floor to ceiling, whereas the traditional version, you do see some of the actual aluminium bars. Now with the textile version, you can't obviously join them in the same way as we do with a typical polyester graphic. What you can do is create one large fabric graphic and then have 3 separate rails, say top and bottom, to create one large graphic mural. So the new Uno, fantastic product. brings it back into the 21st century.